Hello, it's another day, another very cold day actually, but it's actually alright today, nice and dry. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be getting this scuttle off because I need to have a look underneath because I have a suspicion the clips are cracked and I think it may be letting water in. So for this job I got a trim removal kit because using a screwdriver can sometimes damage the plastics and maybe crack them or whatever, so it's best to use the right tools for the job. So for this instance we'll probably be using something like this to get these small little clips out, which that one looks to be a bit damaged already. Okay, so that thing I said before about using the right tools, for some reason, well, I tried some of these and they were just a bit too flimsy, so I am going to use a screwdriver for this. But if you have to resort to this, just be a bit more careful with it. Okay, so to get these little clips out, all you have to do is basically hit the bottom there and they should just come out with a bit of force. It looks like this one's already been tried at before, so I don't know if that was done by the previous owner. It might have been, but anyway, I'm going to be replacing these anyway because that looks a bit shit really. So yeah, anyway, so all you have to do really is just get your screwdriver in and just pop it out. That one came out quite easily actually, pretty much nothing to them really, but just a little clip. It just exposes the screw behind. So yeah, so for the wiper arms, basically it's a 12mm bolt, and that was really loose, that. And these should just come out nice and easy like that. Now these arms, yeah, that's gonna be fun to get out in it. I'll just leave these off, these bolts off for now, and then we'll come back to the arms. Actually, yeah, that's really stiff to get off. All right, and then we do the other wiper. I don't know why these were really loose, but yeah, anyway, they're both off now. I'll put them somewhere safe. Right, so now these will probably be a bit of a pain to get off because when they've been on for a while they're kind of a sod, but there we are. That was pretty easy to get off, that one, surprisingly. Usually they're a lot worse than that. Right, after many struggling attempts to get this one off, I finally got it off. And nearly broke my finger doing so in the process. So to get this little seal off, there's these clips that are held into place and go straight through the bodywork, the bulkhead. So really, I'm using this tool to get underneath them, and then just pulling up, and it should just come out like that, nice and easy. So there's a few of these, so what I'll do is I'll just pop that in there just so I don't lose them. So yeah, there's quite a few that run across the whole of the length of the scuttle. There's another one there. So yeah, we'll get these off and yeah. Okay, so the seal is off. Oh, and another annoying discovery I found is that one of the screws is missing, so it's loose. How annoying. Okay, so now all we need to do is remove the screws. Yeah, that should just pop out now. Yep. So now all the little bits and bobs are out. Hopefully this should just come off. And this one. Okay, so take it out. Like that. Lift it up. Lovely. It's all out now. And yeah, pretty much every single clip is broken. Clips are broken. That one, I don't think that one even has one. Huh? That one, and no one over there. Okay, getting these out a real pain in the arse, these figures. Bloody thing. Oh, that one just flew out. Jesus. Well, that's two of them. Now the third one. But after a very annoying 5 minutes of getting these clips out because they were very awkward, they're now all out. They're clean, just around them, just to get rid of any mud and muck. Just using a microfiber really. Right, so we've got the new, well, they're not really clips either, they're more just screw holders or whatever. But yeah, these are them here. Yes, they should just fit in like that. Nice and easy. Okay, so now all the clips are on, all we have to do is put the scuttle back on. Right, so when I was off camera I just decided to give this a bit of a clean up because it was a bit grubby underneath and in the wells of the wiper arms. So yeah, we've got that sorted. Now all we have to do is just put this back in place now. There we are. Yeah, that's in line. So now all we need to do is put this back on and line it up with the holes. Just place it down. So now we need to make sure that it lines up with the holes. So this needs to slip underneath, and then we need to find the hole which is there, and then we do the same for each and every single one. So they're all in. I had to get a replacement one because I did in fact lose one because it wasn't there. I thought it was there, but it wasn't. So yeah, I've had to get a different screw for that. What we have in the bag is some little clips. Go over them. So all we need to do now is not lose them for starters. Just fit them in. You watch, will be a totally completely different colour plastic. Boom. 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 Okay, so now it's time to put these wipers back on. I noticed when I took these off that they were put on the other way around. Yeah, they were on the wrong way around basically, so I'm just going to put these right. So that should be on. And now we just need to get them lined up. I think we're about there. I mean, I'm not going to be testing them today because it's getting dark, but also the battery's flat, so it's not like I'm going to be driving or using the wipers in this car. And before, I did have the issue where when I opened the bonnet, they would scrape, the wipers would scrape on the edge of the bonnet, so hopefully that won't happen now because they're on the right way around. So yeah, that should be about right. Yeah, we don't want them too tight obviously, but yeah, let's see if it closes properly. Okay, let's see if it closes. Oh, it's so we just need adjusting slightly. Okay, so I've just adjusted them slightly. So yeah, let's see if they close now without hitting the bonnet. Yes, lovely. Brill, that'll be fine. Yep, I'm happy with that. They're a bit high, but it should be fine. At least they're not chipping up the paintwork along here. Oh yeah, you can see it's definitely been going there where that's been rubbing against it. But yeah. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.